Matapos ditong magbigay ng regalo si Luka Doncic ng e-bikes sa mga players at staff ng Los Angeles Lakers kahapon mga idol. Ngayon naman ay si Kyrie Irving naman dito ang namigay ng regalo bilang isang Christmas gift para dito sa Dallas Mavericks. Nang hingi pa dito ng paumanhin si Uncle Drew nang dahil naman dito sa ginawa niya sa robot mga idol. Panoorin nyo to. So habang day off naman dito ng Dallas Mavericks, matapos ang ilang araw na walang schedule ng laban ang kupunan ng Mavericks, nagkaroon naman dito ng kaganapan bago muna ang magiging laro nila. Kontra naman yan dito sa magiging laban nila bukas sa Detroit Pistons. Heto mga idol, nagkaroon naman dito ng katuwaan at selebrasyon para naman dito sa Dallas. Panoorin muna natin ang ginawa dito ni Kyrie Irving sa robot.
Huh? You said try?
Straight up!
Damn, bro.
Damn, this whole thing out.
My apologies. I thought I could push him a little harder. My bad. My bad. Nah, I pushed him too hard. He fell in. What about you, dog?
Where's dog at?
And after naman yan dito mga idol, may pa-surprise naman dito si Uncle Drew ng isang regalong golf cart para dito sa kanyang mga ka-teammates sa Dallas Mavericks. Tuwang-tuwa dito ang kanyang mga binigyan ng regalo, lalo na itong si Cooper Flag. Hindi lang si Luka Doncic ang big time para mamigay ng mga klaseng galitong regalo. Dahil si Uncle Drew, namigay rin dito ng mamahali ng Christmas gift. Panoorin nyo to.
Guys, say what's up.
Shout out to the Dallas Mavericks.
Say what's up, man.
How you doing? Wow. You got it, brother.
Are we outside with it? Are we outside with it, huh? It's a beautiful day in Dallas, y'all. What's up? Kai just got us a gift. You know, it's blessed, to be here. Yeah, go Mavs, baby. I'm rigged up. It's usually where my balls are, so it makes sense, you know?
Checks out. Just had to check the suspension on it.
These will be sent to your homes. Oh, you look good, brother. You look good, brother.
You see what's going on? Hey, Mo, say what up. I think it's on. They got the C-Say number 30 on there. Bluetooth. Hey, Bluetooth, LEDs.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait till I get this to the crib.
Oh yeah, I'm going. I'm driving this to the crib.
Ride with me, let's go.
I'm a terrible driver.
Grabe mga idol no, so far sugod itong si Uncle Drew para mamigay dito ng regalo sa kanyang mga ka-teammate no. Malay mo naman dito idol, baka ikaw nang susunod na bigyan ng regalo ng tropa mo.